Have you ever taken a walk and suddenly felt your legs just do not move the way they used to? That's slow. Heavy feeling the stiffness that creeps in after sitting or the ache that reminds you, I'm not as young as I once was. But here's the truth, it's not just aging. Your body is quietly asking for help for the nutrients that keep your muscles strong, your blood flowing, and your energy alive. The good news, nature already gives us everything we need to rebuild that lost strength. We're right inside the fruit bowl. Today, we'll explore 8 powerful fruits proven to repair muscles, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation so you can move with confidence again, one bite at a time. If you care about staying active after 60 and want simple, natural ways to keep your legs strong, please like this video, subscribe to Dolgrow Health, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our future wellness guides made specially for senior adults. Number 6. Berries, the muscle healers. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, no matter which you choose. Berries are your body's natural repair crew. They're packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which fight inflammation inside tired muscles and protect the collagen that keeps joints flexible. Research from Tufts University found that older adults who ate a cup of mixed berries daily showed better walking speed and balance compared with those who didn't. The pigments that give berries their bright colors, called anthocyanins, help your blood vessels stay wide and elastic, improving oxygen delivery to your leg muscles. For anyone dealing with stiffness, cramps, or slow recovery, that extra oxygen means less soreness and more mobility. How to eat. Half a cup of mixed berries each morning with oatmeal or yogurt. Avoid juices. Fiber from the whole fruit keeps blood sugar steady when eaten daily. Berries act like gentle bodyguards for your muscles, repairing damage, easing inflammation, and keeping you moving freely. Before we dive into number 5, fruit, here is a quick question. Where are you watching this video? We are reading and responding to all comments today, so tell us where you're watching it. Number 5. Oranges, the circulation boosters. Whole oranges, not juice, are one of the best fruits to keep your legs strong. They deliver vitamin C for collagen repair, plus natural compounds in the white pith called bioflavonoids that strengthen blood vessel walls. Healthy circulation means every step you take gets full oxygen support. The soluble fiber in oranges also helps control blood sugar, preventing the energy crashes that make legs feel weak or shaky. Together, vitamin C plus fiber plus bioflavonoids create the perfect trio for keeping muscles nourished and resilient. How to eat. 1 medium orange daily, eaten whole with the pith. Try mixing slices into a spinach salad. Vitamin C boosts iron absorption for better oxygen transport. Think of oranges as natural circulation trainers, keeping your vessels flexible, your energy stable, and your legs ready for every walk. Number 4. Avocado, the muscle protector. Avocado is technically a fruit, and one of the most valuable for anyone over 60 who wants steady leg strength. It's loaded with magnesium, potassium, and healthy monounsaturated fats, all of which keep muscles working smoothly and prevent painful cramps. Magnesium supports muscle contraction and nerve signaling. Potassium helps flush out excess sodium, preventing fluid buildup that can cause swelling in the feet and calves. And the heart-healthy fats in avocados stabilize insulin levels, which means no sudden energy drops or leg fatigue after meals. Unlike many sweet fruits, avocado keeps blood sugar balanced while supplying steady energy for muscle repair. It also contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by everyday wear and tear. How to eat. Half an avocado on whole grain toast or with eggs at breakfast. Add slices to your salad for extra potassium and creamy texture. Think of avocado as your muscle insurance, quietly protecting strength and nerve health every single day. Number 3. Apples, the gentle strength builders. Apples are simple but scientifically powerful. Their skin holds quercetin, a plant compound proven to reduce inflammation and enhance oxygen delivery to muscles. Better oxygen means better endurance, exactly what your legs need after 60. Apples also promote a healthy gut microbiome, and recent research shows that balanced gut bacteria improve how your body absorbs minerals like calcium and magnesium, essential for bone and muscle power. How to eat. 1 apple a day, unpeeled, ideally as a mid-morning or afternoon snack. Sprinkle with cinnamon. It helps regulate blood sugar and improve circulation. This everyday fruit works quietly, strengthening from the inside out and keeping your stride light and confident. Number 2, cherries, the pain reducers. If your legs often feel stiff or sore, cherries can bring welcome relief. They contain anthocyanins and melatonin, compounds that reduce muscle inflammation and promote better rest, both key for recovery. Athletes often use tart cherry extract to shorten recovery time. For seniors, that translates to less morning stiffness and fewer nighttime leg cramps. How to eat. A small handful 101 to cherries daily, fresh or frozen. Or drink diluted cherry juice, half water to reduce sugar load. Cherries are nature's gentle anti-inflammatory, helping your legs feel relaxed, pain-free, and ready for movement. Number 1, papaya, the collagen supporter. Papaya is rich in vitamin C and enzymes like papain, which help your body rebuild collagen, the connective tissue around knees, ankles, and tendons. It's also soothing to digestion, ensuring better nutrient absorption. Seniors who eat papaya regularly often report improved joint flexibility and lighter movement, thanks to its anti-inflammatory compounds. How to eat. Half a bowl of papaya in the morning or after lunch. Pair with yogurt for a gut-friendly, calcium-absorbing combo. Papaya nourishes the tissues that hold your joints together, keeping your legs firm and pain-free. Bonus fruit number 1. Bananas, the energy stabilizers. Bananas are the perfect quick energy fruit for aging muscles. They're packed with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6 nutrients that maintain smooth nerve and muscle communication. Low potassium is one of the main causes of leg cramps after 60, especially at night. Bananas also contain natural prebiotic fibers that feed good gut bacteria, helping your body absorb more protein and minerals from other foods. How to eat. 1 medium banana daily, preferably mid-morning or post-walk, combined with nut butter for balanced energy and longer fullness. A banana a day keeps fatigue away, delivering consistent, gentle energy without strain on digestion. Bonus fruit number 2. Grapes, the circulation protectors. Grapes, especially red and purple ones, are rich in resveratrol, a compound shown to improve blood vessel flexibility and reduce oxidative stress. Better circulation means your leg muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients with every heartbeat. They also support vein health, helping reduce swelling and heaviness that some seniors experience in the calves or ankles. How to eat. 10 to 12 grapes per serving, eaten whole with skins. Choose fresh over dried raisins have concentrated sugar. Grapes work like natural vascular tonics, keeping blood flowing freely and muscles energized for daily walks. Daily fruit plan for stronger legs. Here's a simple, balanced way to include these fruits throughout the day without raising blood. Sugar, too much. Morning, half a cup of mixed berries plus 1 small banana. Midday or lunch, 1 orange or 1/2 bowl papaya. Afternoon snack, 1 apple or a handful of cherries. Evening, half an avocado or 10 to 12 grapes. This plan supplies steady energy, reduces inflammation, supports collagen repair, and maintains healthy circulation all day long. Rotate fruits weekly to keep variety and ensure a full range of vitamins and minerals. Your legs are the pillars that carry your independence. They've supported you through decades of work, family, and countless steps, and they deserve care in return. Staying strong after 60 isn't about intense workouts or expensive supplements. It's about feeding your muscles, nerves, and joints the right natural nutrients every single day. By replacing high-sugar snacks with these 8 healing fruits, you can regain lost muscle tone, improve circulation and balance, reduce stiffness and swelling, walk longer, stand taller, and live freely again. Remember, every healthy bite is an investment in your strength and confidence. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend or loved one who also wants to stay active and strong. And always remember, at Dolgrow Health, we believe life after 60 isn't about slowing down. It's about learning the smarter way to stay strong.